So, is in the last video I talked about what is the shell, and also I showed you some shell examples, which, for example, I talked about the Bourne Again shell, which was the I talked about Bourne shell, which was the first created shell by Stephen Bourne, but also I talked about another shell which is called C shell. But now let me talk about let me check the article which talked about this. So the article was talking about the shell, then talked about the shell, the Bourne shell, which was the old and popular one in old Unix systems. And as I said, it was invented by Stefan in a Bell laboratory. Then after that, there have been another improvement of this shell, right? Or I can say an amelioration or advancement of it. So the advanced version of the Bourne shell is called Bash. Bash, which stands for Bourne Again SHell, as you can see here. Bourne Again SHell. That's Bourne's. As I said, it's unhasted from the original version, which is the CH, which was the Bourne shell, which took one part of the name from the inventor, right? As I said, there are too many shell, and why this particular bash is popular today, because it combines it's the advanced version of this popular shell, the Bourne shell, which was also popular, but also it combines, if you go to this article, you can see that it combines, because it's called Bourne Again, it combines the key shell and the C shell. C shell also was popular at the time in Unix systems, and C shell is it comes from the C language, C, programming C, and that's why when it combines these two, then the bash is more popular and has too many cool and used cool features from the C language or the C shell, and also the K shell. So actually I am not going to talk too much about this, but when you want to use the bash, then you can do bash option, then the command, then the file. So actually we will go deeper to this one or to other commands later, but for now there is no need to memorize anything or to understand anything, but the only thing you should understand is that this bash is the advanced version of the Bourne shell, and nowadays this one is bash is popular, is very popular. So I hope you will go with us in this series and you will learn more about other topics, and you'll understand better how the operating system is used and how the scripts are used, maybe with bash and shell scripting. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.